you saw the title of the video. Let's get into it. So, why is Mario a plumber? Basically, it started all the way back in Donkey Kong. I don't know what that font is for. Donkey Kong for the for the arcades. Now, the thing is, when not Super Mario Bros. Mario Bros, which was another arcade game, was also an NES game, but the arcade game came first. It's had sewer enemies and pipes. So the original design of Mario, who back then was named Jumpman, but now he's named Jumpman and he was a carpenter. Now he had his name Mario and his brother Luigi now, but because of those sewer enemies and pipes, it didn't make sense. So he became a plumber. And then when they kept the same idea for Super Mario Bros. On the NES, what some people would actually think is the first Mario Bros., they ditched that idea because, they ditched the idea of a carpenter because they had already done something once, and they really just didn't need to do it again. So Mario, who was the plumber we know and love today, is all just because he was in an arcade game that was that had those sorts of enemies. So now you know. Why is Mario a plumber and Luigi too? Because of an old arcade game. This is supposed to be a pipe. It's a bee Mario. See, I'm totally Mario. Whatever. See ya.